What's up, YouTube? Today we'll be ranking Til Nord, a free game on Steam. So let's get started. Alright, Til Nord is a free snowmobiling game on Steam. It's pretty fun. It can get a little boring at times, but um, it's it's a free roaming game. There's missions, there's races, but otherwise than that, it's not much to it. Just snowmobiling around in the winter. So not much. Um, yeah, I can't say too much. It's just go try it out. It's free. Not much to it. Um, yeah, it's not much. That's it. But it's free. It's nice. The graphics are okay. It could be better, but the physics aren't too bad. There's first person and there's third person, so that's a plus. But otherwise, yeah, as I said, not much to it. I'd rate this game probably 7 out of 10. There's some things that could be better, but if you're just bored and want a free game, it's something to do for a while. But yeah, I wish there was more missions. That's the one thing. But quick video. Thank you guys. If you want to see more rankings, want to find out more free games on Steam, just click the subscribe button. Let's go.